outside of their opponents before sending that power shot. And Red Shot has put him down to the canvas.
20 seconds, and like we've said before, Nadahook just had to weather that storm, I felt, but a man to the canvas. You know, fire to try and take him out early.
And again, he looks for that body cracking.
Left, I sell that. Another one to the right. He's put him down. He's, again, left and right. Beautiful body punches. He put down. Saladad coming in punches everywhere has gone down.
And Jatapal to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatapal taking more hits than the Pinata, and the left hook. Job done for him in the first round. That beautiful piece of a left.
Kumusta at welcome back sa ating channel. Isang Pinoy prospect at undefeated boxer na si Reymart Soledad ay may angking galing at lakas ng kamao nito na kung saan 4 na magkakasunod na laban. Round 1 lang knockout ang inabot ng mga kalaban at di kinaya ang lakas ng Pinoy. Samantala si Reymart Soledad ay may undefeated ring record sa kasalukuyan na 7 wins, 5 knockouts at kasalukuyang ABF Super Lightweight Champion. Samantala November 2024 nang maimbitahan at mapalaban ang ating kababayan sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai boxer na si Ploem Wangklak lang. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinagpawisan ang ating pambato dahil ilang segundo lang sa pagsimula ng laban ay knockout ang inabot ng Thai boxer sa kamay ng Pinoy.
Southpaw against unorthodox right now. So Ploem in the southpaw position and Reymart in the orthodox position. So it's going to be a battle of the footwork. Who can get their lead leg on the outside of their opponents before sending that power shot? And already a great shot landed by Reymart, took the words right out of my mouth. And he just set up that shot and it looked like a body shot has put him down to the canvas.
Panalo si Reymart Soledad via first round technical knockout. Samantala matapos lang ang 17 araw ay lumaban at napasabak agad ang ating kababayan na kung saan isang knockout artist na Thai boxer ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy na si Nahatat Paharn o mas kilala bilang Nahatat Singmanasak Jim. Sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinatikim ni Soledad ang bagsik ng kamao nito nang in-knockout nito sa unang round ang Thai boxer.
Round 1 underway.
Big right hand landed already by Reymart to the body. And I've seen Reymart fight many times. He's a very strong fighter, very calculated, very stiff with his shots. And we can already see it there. Going down low with a big right hand, swinging upstairs with those left hooks already.
Very strong shots early on from Reymart here. Nahatak just got to be careful when he punches. He's leaving those hands low.
And that's the interesting thing with a body puncher as well. Every time they go down low, they run risk of their fighter even just moving or blocking that shot. And then obviously an accidental low blow, which is exactly what that was there. Great counter punch there by Nadahook though.
I think this is what he's looking for when them hands are low. Doesn't always choreograph those shots, just enables him to be able to throw like that. Good counter hook there from Reymart.
And you can see Reymart slowly just lowering the tempo right now in comparison to the first 20 seconds. And like we've said before, Nadahook just had to weather that storm, I felt. But a big right hand puts him to the canvas. As we were saying, he's calming down. An explosive action puts Nadahook Singmanasak Jim to the canvas. And he's up already. Will we see the Filipino fighter try and take him out early?
And again, he looks for that cracking body shot. That just echoed throughout the arena there.
What side of his opponent, but then as soon as the body opened up for him, I feel like every shot he threw upstairs was just to open the body up for him. So here's Peter Dem with the official.
Panalo si Reymart Soledad via first round technical knockout. Samantala matapos lang ang 2 buwan, February 2025 ay balik Thailand ang Pinoy na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai boxer na si Sakda Langkabam o mas kilala bilang Sakda Manopchai Jim. May ring record itong 10 wins, 7 knockouts. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay 3 beses na pinabagsak ng Pinoy at tinapos nito sa unang round ang Thai boxer.
A left hook to the body. Left by Saladad. Countered in by Manopchai. Left by Saladad upstairs. Another left by Saladad, countered by them. To the body by Saladad, left and right by some. Left by Saladad, another one to the right. He's put him down, he's going to go down for an 8 count at least here. Saladad's coming strong. Okay, they come back in. Soledad is hungry. He's already hungry. Soledad. A left by Soledad. Left that is body by Soledad. Left and right to the body by Soledad. Again, left and right. Beautiful body punches. He put Chai Jim down for the second time. He's gone down for a second 8 count. Here we go in, going against Soledad, left and right again, left and right, left the body of Soledad again. Manichai's trying to defend himself, but he can't. Soledad's coming in very strong, throwing punches everywhere here. Left by Soledad. Another punch to the body by Soledad to the right. Manichai's trying to defend. He's trying to left over the top. Soledad, left and right again. Again, he's going for that right part. He's going into the midsection of the rudder. Soledad again to the body, left to the right to the body. Again to the body by Soledad. Soledad coming in punches everywhere. Manichai Jim has gone down 3 KO.
Take some photos, please. Vice Consul Susan Frebes Sabado and also Mr. Oliver Evangelista.
Panalo si Remart Soledad via first round knockout. Samantala, nito lang May 31, 2025 ay muling naimbitahan sa Thailand ang ating kababayan upang paglabanan ang ABF Super Lightweight title na kung saan isa na naman na knockout artist ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy na si Jatopol Raksapet. May ring record ang Thai boxer na 4 wins, 4 knockouts. Habang si Remart Soledad ay may undefeated record na 6 wins, 4 knockouts. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay gustong makuha ng Thai boxer ang titulo. At para hindi siya mapahiya sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan, ay nakipagsabayan ito sa Pinoy. Ngunit round 1 lang knockout ang inabot nito sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy.
Corner.
ABF welterweight title fight. 10 rounds of action scheduled. We've got a southpaw against an orthodox. The classic warfare of the lead leg, the jab and the backhand. Both fighters biding their time.
Explain that a little bit more, Jimmy, because it's more than just the lead leg. What do you have to do? How do you have to angle yourself up?
Well, you've got to remember, when you get that lead leg on the outside of your opponents, it allows you to step closer in and land a more powerful shot. But here we are, both fighters just absolutely going for it in the center of the ring. Neither wanted to take a back step there, Ali. Just absolute swinging for the fences. No one expected something like this. Remart and Jatopol to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatopol taking more hits than the pinata, and the left hook cracks him right down to the canvas. Jatopol doesn't look like he's going to recover. Referee's at 7, he's at 8, and that is it. Remart Soledad improves his professional record, his undefeated record, to 7 victories right there. Really fast and furious start for Remart Soledad. And it was the left hook that got the job done for him in the first round. That beautiful.
Panalo si Remart Soledad via first round knockout at patagumpay na naiuwi ng ating kababayan ang ABF title belt. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.